Think you're ready to put that rental on the market? Let's dive in and see how we can best set you up for success. When you have a vacant property or a property that is about to become vacant, one of the most important things you want to do is get it rented quickly and to a good quality tenant. Hi, I'm Jaden with Golden Properties, and I'm here to share a few key recommendations to ensure your property is ready for its next tenants. Speed is important. I understand that, but accuracy and thoroughness cannot be compromised. First and foremost, rekey the property. Although Idaho state law may not mandate rekeying between tenants, it's a prudent measure to take. Failure to do so could potentially lead to liability issues if unauthorized access occurs under the new tenancy. Despite it not being a legal requirement, best practice dictates that all locks should be rekeyed once the previous tenant vacates and before the new ones move in, ensuring safety and security. It might incur some cost, but it's an essential step. Next, ensure that everything within the home functions as it was designed to. This means every appliance and feature, from stove burners to window blinds, must be in working order. Partial functionality is not acceptable as it can lead to dissatisfaction and complaints from tenants. Cleanliness is also very important. A clean property not only appeals more to prospective tenants, but also sets a standard for the condition in which the property should be maintained. Therefore, it's advised to hire professional cleaners to achieve that hotel room clean standard, making a strong first impression. Lastly, the property must be 100% rent-ready before showing it to potential tenants. Half-prepared properties with pending repairs or upgrades can deter applicants who lack the vision to see the final state. It's crucial to present the property in its final form to avoid any misconceptions or unmet expectations. These practices are not just about maintaining a property's aesthetic and functional standards, but also about attracting and retaining high-quality tenants. A well-maintained property reflects the quality of its management and, in turn, draws tenants who value and maintain their living spaces. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope these tips help you feel more prepared and confident when getting your rental ready for the market. See you next time.